If I can move to the demo, please. So you are seeing on the projector what I am seeing in my micro display. It looks to me like a 7-inch tablet about arm's length away. It's, as you can see, quite detailed. This entire device is hands-free, so I've re-enabled the voice recognition, and I will now start up CoreSight. My programs. CoreSight. It's a little app that's going to visualize CoreSight data for us. Okay, now it's looking for a QR code to log me in. There's one on that tank, in the real tank in the brewery, and there's also one on this picture of the tank. Let me go and scan that. Got the tank. We've got an error there. Here it comes. Okay, so what you're seeing now is live data from this brewery tank, from this fermentation tank. You see CO2 pressure. You see specific gravity. That was a manually entered measurement because it's a manual procedure, but the data is in PI-System. And you see the current live temperature of 32.877 degrees Fahrenheit off fermentation tank number 6. This is live data. Show temperature graph. So now what we're seeing is a visualization that is actually hosted on PiVision, and we're looking at a web object that was built by PiVision that's now encapsulated in this native Android application, which has full hands-free voice control. I haven't had to swipe or use any gestures or use my hands at all. This is the 5-day history of that thermocouple on tank number 6. It shows that beer was brewing quite happily until it reached a certain point in its fermentation, and then they crash the temperature by using a glycol chiller. Takes a few hours to get down to 32 Fahrenheit, where it has now stayed until they're ready to go ahead and bottle it. And I can go back to show gauges. As you can see, it's entirely hands-free and voice-driven. Okay, so there's something else I can do with this system as well. And so what I'm going to do is go back to the home screen, navigate home, my files, and scan bookmark. There's another QR code on this tank up here. Go look at that one. Accept. Okay, so that actually brought up from the cloud an engineering drawing of this fermentation tank. So we've contextualized this asset, which is a live asset, not only with live data visualized in CoreSight, but with other data about the asset, in this case, the mechanical drawing of this exact tank. Zoom level 3. Zoom level 3. Control document. And I can look around this and look at the detail of the drawing if I want, find the exact feature that I need to look at, freeze document, and now I can do my task with my hands free, perhaps maintain this tank, perhaps change a fitting, do whatever I need to do. Navigate home. If we can go back to the slides, please.